Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog to update you on our travel to none other than our beautiful home country or homeland. We are going on a vacation. We would have already been there by the time you see this video. And yes, since we have been surprising our family members, the excitement we see in their eyes still lets us keep it as a secret again. However, a few members already know that we are coming home. They are my elder brother who will be in Kerala on the 29th, so I had to inform him, but not my sister-in-law who has already flown to Kerala with kids. In case it slips from her mouth, I didn't inform her. And everyone in my in-laws came to know that we are coming. It's just the day before our travel we came to know that everyone in my in-laws have come to know. We wanted to surprise everyone, but unfortunately not this time, I guess. But all in my family are unaware of this. It'll be like a repetition, so I'll be publishing their expressions on Instagram this time. You can check it over there. Anyways, today's video includes glimpses of days before flying. Yeah, so I need to start packing. I need to get that luggage bags down and start packing. So many stuff to pack. Today is Monday. We are leaving on Thursday. Hopefully I can put this video on Friday and it will be till we reach. Maybe the next day we reach there. No, the Thursday vlog will be coming on Monday. Hopefully. See you. This is quite dusty. I need to give a quick wipe. Now this is a very raw kind of vlog, not like the relaxing kind of or aesthetic kind of video like how I normally shoot or edit my day in my life or cooking videos. Just sharing a few snippets of our life with you all. And I guess my vacation vlogs will be of this kind, so I hope you will enjoy. So these are the mangoes that I just cut. These are Pakistani mangoes, very sweet and very tasty. I will miss mangoes in my parents' house. I don't know if it is still there. I can't even ask them because already they have some doubt that we are coming, but then we have somehow convinced that we might not. So anyway, I hope there's some mango left in my parents' house so that we can have those delicious juicy mangoes. So meanwhile, let me have this mango with brownie. I hope the combination goes well. I want to just give a try to see how it goes. A piece of brownie with mango. Usually brownies go well with ice cream or as such, but I love to try combinations, and today's combination is mango with brownie. This is very hot, but the mangoes are cold, so I'm definitely going to try that combination.
Not that much bad.
Not bad at all.
Yeah.
Mango with brownie.
Shall I? Tastes good.
A few years ago, I saw a video. I don't remember which one or whose video it was. It made me learn how to get rid of clothes that we think we need, but in fact, those were extra that we actually don't need. So, some clothes that I used to keep in my wardrobe and not wear most of the time. To make space, I keep those in these empty trolleys and I forget about it. And the next time I open these trolleys for any trips or travel. So what I do is I straight away give these clothes to charity because I know I don't need them. I have enough in my wardrobe. If I keep looking at these, I might feel like wearing it. And moreover, I hate cluttered wardrobes. And who doesn't love neat and organized wardrobes? Now, before starting to pack the bigger bags, I have a few other steps that I follow and complete before moving on to it. One such is packing my handbag. I love my handbags. This is one of them that I love to carry, especially when I'm traveling, because I'll have more items in my handbag. I have these tote bags. The blue was bought from Amazon and it's still in good condition. Bought a similar one from Max recently and I love this again. It's very spacious inside. To give extra details, I tied a scarf on the handle. And this keychain was actually hanging on my husband's new pants. He took that out and was about to throw it away. I used it this way. And it's been some time since I carried this handbag, which I love the most. If you remember, my video was posted 4 years ago. This was when I bought it for the first time. I love to carry this while traveling. It's not as spacious as the tote bag, but gives a good look when you carry it. Now just a quick shot on what I'm carrying in this bag. Tissue and wet wipes. Not sure if anyone feels this, but my face gets very dry on flight, though I have oily, acne-prone skin. Maybe because of the air circulation in the flight, I'm not sure. So I thought, why not use a face sheet mask? A book that I always carry, but this time not sure if I'll read because I want to finish editing this video on the flight. But it all depends on my mood. Chewing gum, which is always hidden in my bag from kids, especially from Arman. And that's my little makeup pouch where I carry a few stuff. Though I have my gold ring that I wear all day, I still need a few, especially if there's any functions. So just a few. And I like this pouch which can hold the rings. Now the things I regularly use on my face are a kajal and lipstick mainly. The rest that I use or that I carry are for occasions or if I have time, for which I don't have much, because when we go out for shopping or anything, I quickly use kajal and lipstick only. All gone in. I will leave some space to put my purse, which holds all cards and others. Now, recently I have made a habit of doing some kind of cardio exercise in the morning because I feel just the main workouts in the evening aren't enough. I do 500 to 600 skipping and gradually I'll increase because I don't want to simply overdo and injure or exhaust myself. And look who's next to me. Arman just loves to dance. And the surprising part is that he learns to dance steps very quickly. But he doesn't like to join any dance class. And the reason he says is that he doesn't want someone to teach him. He likes to do it himself. These big bags are yet to be packed. All these need to go in it. But before that, I need to pack this hand carry. So what I carry in this small suitcase or the hand carry is mainly dresses that we'll need as soon as we reach our home. Because once we reach, we will definitely need to get fresh, we'll take a shower. And instead of opening these bigger bags, however organized you pack in your bigger bags, once you reach the destination, you might not know what's in which bag. So it's always better. This is what my mother used to do. So I've been following the same every single time I travel, wherever, be it for a trip or to our home or wherever. This is what I do definitely without fail, because I know it's very difficult to open these bags and take everything out and search the dresses, and we'll get confused really which one to wear at that point. So if you pack that ahead in the small bag, it's easy to open, it's easy to take out. The rest of this can be done maybe the next day or maybe after you take a nap. So it's much easier. So I'll be packing mine, kids, and I'll ask my husband once he's back from office, and then I'll pack in this. So let's start this. My handbag is ready, my hand carry is ready. I need to pack my YouTube stuff, my camera, my tripod, my camera bag including my lens, extra battery and others. This is my epilator from Philips brand, and I have shown this many times in vlogs. I use this for my hands and legs. This is a wireless epilator. I'll link all these products in the description box if I can. Thank you so much to whoever told me that shoes can be washed in the washing machine, and it's such a life-saving tip. Now I don't wash it by hand, and it's much cleaner in the washing machine. Some extra clothes in the hand carry again. So I just finished my workout, and here's Arman watching Tom and Jerry. Arman, what are you watching?
I'm watching nothing.
Tom and Jerry?
No.
And there's my wall mirror.
Huh?
Wall mirror. And there's
I
my
like it.
light. You like it?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, nice.
Thanks to each one of you for your comment on my previous video, where I had shown how I made that mirror wall. Now this is turmeric tea, just to calm me after the workout. I have stopped using milk in this because I don't like the taste of the milk we get here when added to turmeric tea.
Our vacation is stuff. You like it, but I don't like it. I'm not. Okay.
After getting fresh and getting some rest while drinking the turmeric tea, I then moved to the packing part. Until this time, kids were never called to help with packing, but this time, both of them insisted on helping me with packing. I gave them a few tasks. I asked them to separate their daily wear clothes and outdoor clothes so we know how much to carry. And they were happily helping. So that's all for today's video, and I'll see you all in my next. Excited to take you all along to my homeland. Take care. Bye bye.